Avoid this three type of business as a man. If you get plenty for the future, you want builders. Unless na only food money now you want to get only food money and money to take they buy one or two now you want. But if you get plan as a man, say you want builders for the future, no do this three type of business. Number one, barbing. You see barbers or those people where they barb hair, bro. No try and invest your money for this thing. This na business wey be like say na family something wey be like say we would do for our family. I can't inherit her take. I barb hair for more than 12 years, brother. The only money when I see na money when I take buy clothes, eat, buy fuel, just till the day they pay rent for one room. You hardly see barber where get cars, barber where they build in your house. Any barber you see say you get more than 3 cars, you get more than 2 house. No say na money laundry na they do. No say na money laundry they do. Any barber where you say get more than 2 house, e not anywhere. Legit barber, bro. It dey hard. It dey hard. I do barber work for more than 12 years. It dey hard because the business the moment I want to make me still would dey for the business for more than 12 years. Now based on say now me dey barb. The moment they put person for your stomach, person they barb for you. The person first go dey loot your money. And if that person comot from that business, people fit don't love that guy. Because many people not they like me, different people they barb their hair. Many people they like that. They want only one person. If you can't change that person, bring another person, you don't lost set of customer first. That person, if you go put stuff on another place, make like 70% of your customer follow the person go. 12 years now do barbing. Any barber you say get more than 2 cars, 3 cars, because they tell you say now through that barbing work, now they get the money. No say na lie. Another thing they involve. Barbing work now work where they add the joint say major add a joint for shop. But no prop say now barbing now you want to build house, buy car, live life. You go too suffer. Number 2, avoid all this monthly work where like say now 40,000 they pay you. Like those people they work for POS so that they pay monthly or gatesman. Avoid those kind of work if you get better future. Say you want to build as if not, bro. Now only money for food, and it go hard for you say to pay rent. How many gatesman you just say they stay for better classic 2-bedroom self-contained? Now one room, 2 room a parlor. Those old days house now the day. You not get how you want to meet up for life, or let's say you don't already give up. Say now your children you dey look up to, not be yourself again. Any work, any monthly work where be like say not be government work where be like say they increase the salary every year. Come up body, you know feel that they meet up for life. I not go lie for you. I don't do one before. Nothing come out. Number three. Now be all this transport business, all this Okada men there. All this Okada men, it dey hard for you to see Okada man when they build house. Okada man will get 2 house or cars. Unless now the ones so like that they do Okada work, they get farm business. They get land where they do farm business. Say now let that Okada work now you put up. Say now you want to build house, buy cars, brother. Before you go feel meet up, you don't reach 80 years old before you feel buy land. Therefore, you can never meet up. Say for Okada or the point they do transports. It dey hard die because the full money the only money where you go to see now money where you want to shop, money where you want to pay rent. You not feel meet up for your life again. Okada business now one of the worstest business where you go do. I do am before. Avoid this 3 type of business: barbing, Okada, monthly work. So that they pay 40,000, 50,000, and you know they increase. Avoid this kind of work if you get better future for yourself. Say you want to build us. Anybody where you say they do all this business when I make sure for you, so and you see the person they drive 3 cars or you get 2 houses. Either the person a money launderer or the person get other business where they back up on. All the business when I make sure for you now, so now back up business. Not be business where like say person they live life till they grow. When I tell you say I get Barbie Salon, I get game stuff inside the Barbie Salon, and they say cassette that time. video club store. The only money wey dey come outside from there na say you dey okay, na so Okada men be. All the bra, all the awesome, many of them when I know wey dey do Okada for years, many when I know wey dey do Barbing for more than 20 years, the way they still dey, na so they still dey. Not be say that they suffer, say that they wan grow, but you no fit meet up. I no go lie for you. Anybody wey say they do all this business, say get 4 cars, don't say that person, e get another thing wey dem dey do. Avoid those sticky type of business as a young boy. Invest your money. You better see me invest your money for land or farming than say you go put money for these sticky things, or you go do monthly work of 40,000, do POS, gate man, those things. That means you no get plan for your future.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.